Hello friends, welcome to Finance MCQ and I hope your preparation for your exams are going on in full swing. So friends, let's today also discuss some of the important MCQs related to ECL, Cost Accountant or Accountant Exams 2021. So let's start the video. Question 1. The degree of responsiveness of supply of a commodity with reference to change in price of the commodity is known as A. Law of supply, B. Price elasticity of supply, C. Expansion of supply, D. Contraction in supply, E. None of the above. So yes, can you guess what's the correct answer? So friends, if you read the question correctly, here they are asking degree of responsiveness of supply of a commodity with reference to change in price. So here the important thing is this price element, that how much is effect on supply due to change in price. So it can be only possible in price elasticity of supply. So the correct option is option B. So it basically tells the reaction of a seller of a particular change in the price of the commodity. So I hope it is clear. Now let's move on to the next question. Question number 2. Systematic recording of all economic transaction between its resident and rest of the world during a given period of time is known as option A. Balance of trade, option B. Balance of payment, option C. Balance of transaction details, option C. All of the above, or option E. None of the above. So yes, can you tell me what's the correct answer for this? So friends, the correct answer is option B. Balance of payment. But do you know the difference between balance of trade and balance of payment? Which one is superior or which one is under it? Bigger one you have is balance of payment. Balance of payment, it records all goods, services and your transfer payments. And under bills of payment you have two types of account: current account and capital account. And under current account you will have balance of trade. So your balance of trade is a part of current account transaction of a bills of payment. So do keep this in mind. So I hope it is clear. Now let's move on to the next question. Question number 3. Which type of economy does India have? Option A capitalist, option B socialist, option C mixed economy, option D all of the above, or option E none of the above. So yes, can you tell me? So I hope it is a very simple one. Friends, the India is mixed economy. And how come mixed economy? Because we have both public sector control of government as well as private sector control of different sectors. So we have both public as well as private sector in an economy. So India is a mixed economy. Correct option is option C. So now let's move on to the next question. Question 4. SIDBI stands for option A Saving Industries Development Board of India, B Saving Industries Development Bureau of India, option C Small Industrial Development Board of India, option D Small Industrial Development Bank of India, option E none of the above. So yes, what's the correct answer? So friends, full form of SIDBI is Small Industrial Development Bank of India. That is your option D is the correct answer. And friends, SIDBI is set up on 2nd April 1990 for what purpose? For the purpose of promotion, financing and development of MSME sectors. So it is basically to promote finance and development of MSME sector because it plays a crucial role in our economy. So SIDBI is for that purpose. So I hope it is clear. Now let's move on to the next question. Question 5. Key managerial personnel does not include option A CEO or MD, option B company secretary, option C whole-time director, option D CFO, or option E statutory auditor. So yes, what's the correct answer? Friends, here if you see, only statutory auditor is an external party, rest are all within the company. So only option E will be the correct answer. It will not form part of key managerial personnel. So option E is the correct answer. So now let's move on to the next question. Question 6. Buyback of shares is covered under dash section of Companies Act 2013. Option A section 52, option B section 53, option C section 63, option D section 237, option E section 68. So yes, can you tell me the correct section? So the answer is option E section 68 relates to buyback of shares. And friends, the other section mentioned here, section 52, relates to issue of shares at premium. Section 53 is related to prohibition on issue of shares at discount, and section 63 is related to bonus shares, whereas your section 237 defines ESOP plan. So do keep this in mind. These are some of the important sections from your Companies Act. So now let's move on to the next question. Question 7. Which of the following is not a kind of debenture? Option A redeemable debenture, option B bearer debenture, option C naked debentures, option D convertible debenture, or option E promissory debenture. So yes, can you tell me? So friends, here option E promissory debenture is not a kind of debenture. Rest are all a type of debentures. So the correct option is option E promissory debenture. So friends, can you tell me what is the meaning of naked debenture? What does it mean? So basically naked debenture is your unsecured debentures. So do keep this in mind because it's not frequently used terms, and usually we have a habit of knowing debentures as a secured debentures, but we do have a debenture which can be unsecured. So do keep this in mind. So now let's move on to the next question. Question number 8. Material usage variance is calculated as option A actual price multiplied by standard quantity minus actual quantity, option B standard price multiplied by standard quantity minus actual quantity, option C standard price multiplied by actual quantity minus standard quantity, option D actual price multiplied by actual quantity minus standard quantity, or none of the above. So yes, what's the correct answer? So friends, here if you see, the question is asking material usage variance. So how we can calculate usage? It can be calculated if we have standard and actual quantity. So if you see option B, here standard quantity minus actual quantity, and it is to be calculated on the basis of standard price. So our option B is the correct answer for calculating material usage variance. So it's basically measure variance in cost of material due to usage or consumption. So I hope it is clear. Now let's move on to the next question. Question number 9. Which type of work is referred as production that is not as perfect as the saleable goods but is capable of being rectified? Option A spoiled work, option B defective work, option C skilled work, option D unskilled work, or option E all of the above. So yes, can you guess? So friends, here if you see, they are asking that which type of production which is capable of being rectified. So here only defective work that can be rectified, and if it is spoiled work then same has to be scrap, and the rest all three are given just to confuse you. So the correct option is option B defective work. So I hope it is clear. Now let's move on to the next question. Question 10. Which of the following is not a goal of cellular manufacturing? Option A making minimum waste as possible, option B making wide variety of similar product, C to move ahead as quickly as possible, D to reduce the cost of material procurement, or option E none of the above. So yes, can you tell me the correct answer? Friends, the correct answer is option D to reduce the cost of material procurement, because who has the responsibility of looking into this matter? Responsibility of material purchase department and not that of a manufacturing department. So here the option D is correct answer. Now, if I can just quickly tell you what is cellular manufacturing. So friends, it's like a U-shaped manufacturing assembly line, like either this or it can be either like this. Here, this is the assembly line and all products will be on this assembly line like this. So in the all side, and a person can supervise from here, so he can supervise in all directions, so it will help to move goods quickly as fast as possible, and it will help to increase our manufacturing. So this is cellular manufacturing. So I hope it is clear. Friends, to practice more such kind of MCQ, please visit our website financemcq.in. Here we are presenting entire ECL accountant or cost accountant exam course in MCQ format for practice and a quick revision. Here we are presenting in subject wise, topic wise MCQ, and more than 2500 quality MCQs are there prepared by CACMA. Friends, it is the simplest and fastest way to complete your full technical syllabus, which is having weightage of around 60 to 80%. And friends, it will be a positive booster to your practice and will bring you one step closer to your selection. And you will also get email support for clarification of doubt. So do visit Finance MCQ website, take a demo for ECL course, and you will realize that the course is of a quality nature and will help you for your preparation. So thank you so much for watching this video till the end.